Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up or register or enroll for your Discover online banking service. So online banking service on Discover helps you to make different forms of payments. It helps you to know about your financial transactions, about how much money you have in your account, different information regarding to your bank balance and credit cards, and also a variety of other information. So if you'd like to get acquainted with all of these information at the tip of your fingers, anytime, anywhere, this is a perfect time for you to get signed up for your Discover online banking account. So if you want to make an account here, I'm going to show you how you can do that. For this, first of all, make sure that you've gone to the App Store and already downloaded the Discover online banking or mobile banking app on your device. So after doing that, head over to the app and open up the app. As you open up the app, wait for the processings to complete and for your app to completely load. So here it says that you're welcome to Discover. So what you can do is you can simply tap on register an account. After you tap on register an account, you'll have to tap on whether you're trying to register a credit card account or a bank or loan account. So tap accordingly. Here I'm trying to register a credit card account, so I'm just going to tap on credit card account. After doing that, I'll have to get them certain information. So first of all, I'll have to give them the credit card account number, then the card expiration date, and also enter the SSN and also enter my correct birthday. Then tap on the continue button. After tapping on the continue button, after a few proceedings, I'll now be able to sign up for my account and I'll get enrolled to the Discover online banking service. So this is basically how it works. It's a very simple process and it will definitely make your life way more easier to handle your finances. If you found this video helpful and made your own account, please let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around next time.